Good Monday morning, folks. Hope everybody's doing well today. We're going to be, up there's little Dixie. We're going to be doing our annual plant haul over to Carolyn's mom's. If you'll notice here, our trailer, it's really thinned out a lot there about the plants. We've sold quite a few, done pretty good. Let's step over here. There's some of Carolyn's flowers she brought up. She'll just have to tell you the flowers. Let's see. Dwarf Red Cosmo. But no, we're down to these here. We're closed today. Gonna run over there. The jewel weed's looking good. Probably about time for Carolyn to make us some more of that salve. And I don't know if you can see it or not, the raspberries, they're starting to turn there. Oh, there's a couple up there ready to pick now. But no, Carolyn's up there now getting the flowers. May have to put the planter up there in the front with us up there. We'll head on up and take a look at Carolyn's flowers, what she's a-getting. Dixie, come here and get in the car. Alrighty, as you can see, we're pretty well packed with plants. We got some bags of stuff up there in the front. Of course, we got our planter. Carolyn's going to have to put some plants there between her feet. We got another little box over here. Let's get this journey started. I ain't going to show you the roads and everything today. I'll see you when we get there.
Okay, we made it to my mom's. Here's my mom. Say hi. Say hello. We're going to plant her little garden out here with tomatoes and some peppers. Doug's going to dig the holes here. We just got her the weed fabric down. We put up this fence, I think it was last year, year before, a few years ago. We're going to plant some tomatoes and peppers here for her. We got Daniel back in action here. He's gonna dig some holes here for his foot's doing a lot better. He started back to work. He's usually our hole digger, and we hadn't had him there for a little while. Which foot did he hurt? It was which one was it, Dan? The left one? The left foot. He broke. Alrighty, we're going to get the rest of these holes dug and get her some tomatoes and peppers in. Yep. This is her dog Midnight. He's getting up there in age. He's a lovable doggy. And where's little Fluffy? There's little Fluffy over here. Hi, Fluffy.
I'm right here.
We'll go get your native plant. Carolyn's planting some of the peppers right now. Hopefully we get some rain tomorrow. It's dry. Alrighty. Carolyn and her mom got them all planted. They're up there looking at something else. And hopefully they'll do her good. I hope everybody has a blessed week. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. It's just a short video today.
Holman's homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Holman's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holman's homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Holman's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holman's homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Holman's home.